Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain how to create a wipe screen. Let's begin. Let's start. This is a wipe screen that is often seen on TV, and with Premiere Pro, it's easy to create. You can also emphasize it with a foot or shadow. You can also use it for making YouTube videos, so I recommend learning it. Here is a video clip to use as a wipe. This is the video that will be displayed on the full screen. Make sure that the wipe clip is above this one. Select a video clip to use as a wipe, and from the Effects Control panel, select Opacity, create the mask. This is how the mask is created. Pay attention, because this next part is really important. Let's begin with Moving Only Mask, and then Moving Mask and Video simultaneously. First, let's move only the mask. When moving the mask, the position of the video will not be changed. Only the mask is moved. At this point, choose the range you want to mask. Then I will continue with moving mask and video simultaneously. From Effect Control, Motion, change position and scale. I try to change the position of the wipe like this. The wipe screen was just created. Next, I'll show you how to add a border to the wipe. Set mask feather as 0. Right-click the empty space in the project panel and select New Item, Color Matte. Please select your favorite color to make the matte color. Place the color matte on the track below the wipe video. In the program monitor, it will be displayed like that. Copy and paste the effects of motion and opacity of the video used to wipe onto the color matte you just mentioned. Then the wipe and color matte will overlap each other. Select a color matte and change the thickness of the border by changing the mask expansion. Then we will have the border like this. Finally, let's nest the color matte and wipe. You can also add effects and animations such as drop shadow to the nestled wipe clips. Now you know how to make a wipe screen. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.